How to fix Wi-Fi not working on Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily fix if your Wi-Fi is not working step by step. So let's just dive into the video. Open up your settings menu. So the first thing you're going to have to do is troubleshoot your internet settings or network settings. So once you get to the settings menu, go to System and then find Troubleshoot. Go to Other Troubleshooters and then run a troubleshoot for network and internet. And if the troubleshooter finds any issue with your connection, then it will ask to fix itself. So keep tapping continue, and you should be able to fix it automatically. After this, you're going to have to go to control panel. So let's just go ahead and search for control panel. Then find the network and sharing option, and then go to change adapter settings. Now right click on the Wi-Fi network and disable it. Once you've disabled it, right-click on it and then re-enable it back again. Once that is done, just close it out. Now the next step is to open Device Manager. Search for Device Manager on your Start menu, and once it is open, find your network adapters. Click on this drop-down, find your wireless adapter and see if there's any problem with it. Now let's just check for updates for this. Go to Update Driver, browse for my computer, let me pick, and just select the latest one and then click on Next. It will automatically install the latest driver on your PC. Once the latest driver has been installed, you can just close this out and then go to Action and check for any hardware changes. If there is any changes, you might be able to reset it and then just close it out. Finally, give your laptop a quick restart and then you should be good to go. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you on the next one.